Tash, congratulations! You won the fans award there. That's got to be a great feeling to get voted fans' favourite.
Yeah, it's great. It's always nice to get recognised by people that come to our games and pay a lot of money sometimes. And yeah, I don't think I deserve it personally, but it's always nice to get a award.
Well, I think you deserve it. Obviously, the fans think you deserve it as well. And I mean, there's huge challenges ahead for the national team now with qualification and the hopes that come with that. And of course, you've just recently come back from injury. So are you ready to go? Do you feel up for the fight?
Yeah, I don't think my body's quite loving it at the minute, but we've had a tough season with club and again playing a lot of games in the last stages of the league and obviously having Austria, and I think that probably contributed to us losing. But yeah, we're prepared now and hopefully we can beat or get some points against Norway.
Well, that's great. Thanks for joining us and congratulations once again on your award.
Cheers, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Cheers,
well done.